gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
A compact 6.32-inch phone packing a massive 7,500 milliamp hour battery, 3.5x telephoto camera, and a flagship level flat display with a blazing 165 Hz refresh rate. It almost feels like the rules of physics don't apply anymore. Hey everyone, today we're checking out the OnePlus 15T, a device that small phone lovers have been waiting for. Since this is a compact phone, let's start with what matters most. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The in-hand feel. With its slim 71.8mm body and 6.32-inch size, OnePlus 15T continues the excellent one-handed usability of its predecessor. Smoothly rounded edges around the frame strike a great balance between aesthetics and comfort. At just 194 grams and with a perfectly balanced 50-50 weight distribution, it feels light, natural, and easy to hold for long periods. Now, another detail that really matters for small phone users is how the camera bump feels in the hand. The OnePlus 15T sticks with the same metal square camera design as before. Even after adding a telephoto lens, the size and protrusion of the module are kept impressively minimal. In real-world use, the bump measures only about 2.4 millimeters, so it doesn't get in the way. The relaxed matcha color variant we have here looks super refreshing, with a consistent green tone flowing from the camera module across the back panel and into the metal frame, giving the phone a clean and unified appearance. Flipping over to the front, this is the only compact phone offering a 165 Hz ultra-high refresh rate on a flat display. It also supports true hardware-level ultra-dark night display technology. But that's not all. There are two standout surprises here. First, the third-generation chip-level screen packaging technology allows for incredibly slim bezels, just 1.1 millimeters on all four sides. This creates a much more immersive experience, whether you're watching videos or just scrolling through your day. Second, the OnePlus 15T finally upgrades to ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking. The placement feels more natural when holding the phone. It works reliably even with accidental touches, and it's easier on the eyes in low light conditions. Now let's talk about the biggest challenge for small phones: battery life. OnePlus tackled this head-on with a huge 7,500 mAh Glacier battery. It uses the new X25 silicon carbon anode technology, boosting capacity by 1,240 milliamps compared to the previous generation without increasing the size. Honestly, last year's 6260 mAh battery on the OnePlus 13T already felt more than enough. But this 7,500 mAh setup actually surpasses many large screen phones. So naturally, we had to put it to the test. Under test conditions of 200 nits brightness and 50% volume, we ran common apps for 3 hours and only used 19% of the battery. Then we pushed it further with games like Delta Force at 165 FPS, PUBG Mobile, and Honor of Kings at 144 FPS. Each of these consumed just 20% in 30 minutes. After a total of 4.5 hours of mixed usage, the phone had only drained 39%. That translates to nearly 12 hours of screen-on time under medium to heavy usage, which is seriously impressive, even compared to flagship big-screen devices. And remember, this is all happening on a compact 6.32-inch phone. Charging is just as impressive. With 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charging, the OnePlus 15T hits 24% in just 10 minutes and reaches 59% in half an hour. A full charge takes only 57 minutes, which is incredibly fast for a battery this large. On top of that, it now supports 50-watt wireless flash charging, so you can just place it down and power up quickly, something that was missing on the previous generation. And for gamers, there's global bypass power supply support. This means you can plug in while gaming, and the phone will power the system directly instead of charging the battery, helping reduce heat and maintain peak performance without throttling. Now, when it comes to gaming, the OnePlus 15T really stands out. It's built to tackle two of the biggest issues compact phones usually struggle with: heat management and maintaining consistent performance over time. Let's quickly go over what's inside. The OnePlus 50T runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 mobile platform, paired with a new generation of gaming cores that push the chip to its full potential. For cooling, it features a large 50mm square vapor chamber along with a high-performance graphite cooling system rated at 2100 watts per meters, ensuring heat is handled efficiently. Under controlled conditions with a 25 degrees Celsius room temperature and screen brightness set to 200 nits, we started testing with Honor of Kings. And here's something impressive. The OnePlus 15T is the first compact phone that can run this game at both 144Hz refresh rate and ultra-high graphics settings at the same time. In a ranked match lasting around 30 minutes, the phone delivered a rock-solid 144 FPS throughout, while consuming just about 3 watts of power. By the end of the session, the front temperature reached 42.9 degrees Celsius and the back was at 42.6 degrees Celsius, which is quite stable. Next, we push things further. The OnePlus 15T supports native 165 FPS in popular FPS titles like PUBG Mobile and Delta Force, so naturally we had to test those too. Starting with Delta Force, running at 165 FPS ultra-high graphics in a large battleground scenario, the phone achieved an average of 164.7 FPS. Basically perfect. Gameplay felt incredibly smooth, with an average power draw of around 4.79 watts. After the session, the front measured 42.7 degrees Celsius, while the back reached 45.5 degrees Celsius. Delta Force didn't pose much of a challenge, and PUBG Mobile was handled just as easily. In a 30-minute island match, the OnePlus 15T maintained an average of 164.8 FPS, again nearly flawless. At the end of the test, the front temperature rose to 48 degrees, and the back settled at 47.1 degrees Celsius. There's no doubt that running games at 165 FPS puts serious pressure on both performance and cooling. But thanks to its upgraded gaming cores and ice core cooling system, the OnePlus 50T not only maintains perfect frame rates in demanding titles like PUBG Mobile and Delta Force, but also supports native 165 FPS across mainstream FPS games. That's performance that can even outshine many larger flagship devices. Now, beyond battery and performance, there's another area where small phones often compromise: camera performance, but the OnePlus 15T addresses that as well. The standout feature here is the newly added 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, equivalent to an 85mm focal length, which is quite rare for compact phones. It's great for portrait shots with natural background blur and also supports up to 7x lossless zoom, making it practical for capturing distant subjects and scenery. On the software side, the phone introduces 4K ultra-light live photos for the first time, bringing more life and motion into your shots. It also includes master mode and wide frame mode, giving you more creative flexibility to capture photos with depth and storytelling. As for pricing, the base variant of the OnePlus 15T starts at 4,299 yuan in China, which is roughly 469 pounds in the UK and about 621 US dollars. So to wrap things up, the OnePlus 15T delivers top-level performance in both battery life and telephoto photography within the compact phone category. With additions like ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking and wireless charging, combined with its refined design and comfortable in-hand feel, it goes beyond being just a small flagship. It's a well-rounded device that can compete with and even outperform many larger smartphones in key areas. And with memory and storage costs rising across the industry, the OnePlus 15T's overall upgrades make it an incredibly strong choice for anyone looking for a powerful compact phone. You could easily call it one of the most balanced and reliable options out there for small screen fans. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.